Same order.
It's identical.
List after 2.
इसमें कर दो list after 2.
37. Serial number 3rd.
Lordship, we want to request for
37.1 also 2 cases my lords had permitted same matter. My lord, both are
Right.
my lords, we want to request for matter number 21. It is a writ petition pertaining with the enrollment of the student of law.
Sorry, in which
Sir?
matter you are?
Sir, in matter 21. Actually, it was
Item?
listed yesterday.
Item?
Item number 21.
21.
Yes, sir. It was listed yesterday also, and your lords also summoned the principal secretary and he is here.
21. Yes, what is the issue?
So the issue was related to the enrollment. The same was
Related to
sir, enrollment.
encroachment.
The matter quite 21. So in the last order, sir, you summoned the principal secretary also in that order. So it is listed today, but sir, yesterday also it was yesterday.
Who was there?
Sir, principal secretary, so you summoned in the last order. So he was also there.
DB2 पे लगा था. अच्छा, कोई order है?
वो 2:30 पे लगाया था लेकिन बेंच दिन भर नहीं रही तो आज के लिए
This additional chief secretary, some Ranjan.
Lord, he was there, Lord, yesterday.
Rajan.
Lord Anupam Rajan, Lord, he was there, Lord. We have filed our reply, Lord, explanation to the content proceedings. We have also filed our action taken report, Lord, that was filed on.
No, Rajan is what? He is looking after which department?
Lord, he is the additional chief secretary, higher education department.
Higher education.
So he was there, my lord. He was there in the first half also, my lord. He was there in the second half, my lord. Today I have moved an application for exemption, my lord, because the matter could not be taken up yesterday, my lord.
Why he was directed to
My
appear?
lord, there is a lordship's order on 25th, my lord. My lord, may I just brief the facts of the case, my lord? These are the students. Lord, this is an application for exemption with liberty to appear through VC, my lord, for your lordship's direct. My lord,
Right.
yesterday he was there, my lord. My lord, these are the students, my lord, who have passed out from a private law college, my lord, at Jabalpur, my lord. And when they went to the State Bar Council to get themselves enrolled, my lord, they were denied enrollment on the ground that the private college from where they have taken the law degree, my lord, was not having the recognition renewed from
Right.
the Bar Council.
And we directed them to take action against those.
Right. So, my lord, that we have filed, my lord, we have also tendered our explanation for non-filing of the compliance report, my lord, on 25, my lord. My lord, that, if your lordships may have my reply, my lord, explanation.
What is the action taken?
My lord, the action taken, your lordships will find, my lord, from page number para 8 onwards.
Yeah.
Not the reply.
Yes,
Not the reply. It's there, not the last item 21.
item 21.
last part.
अच्छा 21. Reply जो दिया.
नहीं नहीं.
Serial
21
number.
serial. Not paragraph number 4 to Milord 7 is the explanation, Milord, for not filing of the reply of the compliance, Milord, on 25. Milord, we have tendered unconditional apology, Milord, and we have tried to, Milord, explain, Milord, that there was some miscommunication by the ministerial staff and the department entrusted with the court cases, Milord. The matter could not be placed before the additional chief secretary. And therefore, Milord, he could not file the compliance, Milord. We have placed those officers under suspension, Milord. That order is there, Milord.
No, who is put under suspension?
Milord, one Milord, Dr. Anil Rajput, Milord, who was entrusted with the court matters, Milord. There is, Milord, whenever the email is sent from the Office of Advocate General, Milord, it is sent to the Commissioner Higher Education Department, Milord, and there is an officer, namely Dr. Anil Rajput, Milord, and there is one clerk, Milord, Srimati Kanchan Singh, Milord. They are interested, Milord, with the duty to deal with the court matters, whatever communication is received from the Advocate General.
Right.
So, Milord, mechanically, Milord, they got the email printed out, Milord, and they sent it to the Commissioner of Education for appointment of the OIC. The direction which was mentioned in the letter, Milord, for the ACS, Milord, was not brought to his knowledge, Milord. And therefore, the matter was taken up as a routine matter, Milord, by these due to non-communication, Milord.
Oh.
So, Milord, we have taken, Milord, although we have tendered unconditional apology, Milord,
But what is the now action taken?
Milord, that is your para number 13 onwards.
30. Yes.
Milord, para 12 onwards, Milord. Milord, in fact, Milord, what is happening, Milord, the university concerned, Milord, is the nodal agency, Milord. The state has limited role, Milord, in the matter of, Milord, the running of the law colleges, Milord. The state's role is there, Milord, only to the extent of admitting students through online portal, my lord.
Right.
Now, my lord, the concerned university where from the affiliation is obtained by the college, my lord, is entrusted, my lord. Initially, the college is required to obtain the necessary permissions, my lord, the NOCs, my lord, from the institute, wherever they are required to, my lord, and they are required to create their online profile, my lord. Now, that profile is, my lord, verified by the affiliating authority, that is the university, my lord. So, it is the duty of the university to verify, my lord, that all the requirements are fulfilled by the concerned college or not, because it is the affiliating authority. And then, my lord, once the verification is done by the university, my lord, then the profile of the college becomes live on the state government portal, my lord. The state government is operating the portal for admission, my lord, to all colleges throughout the state of MP, my lord, in all faculties, my lord, in order to ensure that the students get a lot of fair chance of admission in all the colleges, my lord. The state's role is limited to that extent, my lord, insofar as this law is concerned.
Right.
Now, my lord, the college in question, my lord, was not having the renewal from the BCI since 2008-2009.
Right.
Lord, yet, my lord, when the matter was scrutinized by the RDB, my lord, the respondent.
If that was the position, they have cheated the students. What action you have
My
taken?
lord, in fact, our submission, my lord, my lord, the then registrar, my lord, and the present registrar, my lord, they have been issued show cause notices for imposing.
What Saukas notice? It's a cheating and a criminal case.
Lord, may
And
kindly,
you are just delay the issues.
my lord, may kindly,
You are the state. You are supposed to issue the criminal cases against them.
lord, that can always
They are
be done.
playing with the career of the students. And you are just quietly looking after all these
No,
things.
Lord, it's not like that, Lord. But what we have tried to tender, Lord, that, Lord, in fact, the criminal angle, Lord, the BCI also, Lord, uploads the information.
Forget about that, whosoever is involved. Question is whether college, university, concerned the person who is recruiting without having any affiliation, you just registered the case.
Lord, that we do.
You should have done that. आप ये करें जो क्लर्क के खिलाफ
Lord,
action ले लिया.
Lord, all.
You are unnecessarily taking action against those who are just not properly communicated the order.
No, Lord.
But
Against
that's
against the registrar of the university, concerned university, Lord, the colleges which are involved, Lord.
Whosoever involved, listen. These universities are running by the private person.
No, universities are government universities.
Government university that take action against the registrar, vice chancellor, whosoever is there at that time, or the concerned committee who is recruiting without inviting application, without having any affiliation or so.
Lord, they were having affiliation, but not the recognition from the bar.
Recognition is required or not?
Lord, there is one more aspect.
Without recognition,
Lord, there is one more aspect, Lord,
Yes.
which may kindly be taken into consideration. Your Lordship may have, Lord, paragraph number 19 of this explanation, Lord. Para 19, Lord. Now, Lord, what the BCI does, my lord, BCI keeps on granting recognition with effect from 10 to 20 years retrospectively, my lord. So they have been regularizing, my lord, the BCI itself have been regularizing these matters, my lord. And therefore, this is one of the reasons, my lord, which requires consideration of your lordship. Paragraph 19 may kindly be seen for a moment, but just read out.
Yes.
It would not be out of place to mention that the exercise for creation of profile, exercise for creation of profile by the college commences in the month of April. And by that time, the letter issued by the BCI granting recognition, continuation of recognition in most of the colleges is not received. A copy of recognition letter of case of Gwalior Law College is annexed herewith as an excerpt so and so, wherein letter from BCI was issued on 17/2/2023 granting recognition for academic year 22-23, whereas the academic year started in July 22. This is practice in most of the cases. However, taking into consideration the interest of the students and also taking into consideration that in the past, the BCI has renewed recognition to various colleges with retrospective effect for 8, 10, and 11 years. The colleges are permitted to participate in the online admission process. Approximately 16,000 students take admission in law colleges each year. The answer respondent seeks to place on record few examples of recognition granted by the BCI in respect of Government College Shahjahanpur.
How BCI can do all these things?
Lord, they have been granting.
But there is no recognition. BCI also playing the fraud on the part of the.
So, Lord, these are the instances, Lord, wherein, Lord, from last 10 to 15 years, 20 years is also there, Lord. Sagar University, Lord, it has been granted, Lord, after 20 years, Lord.
Retrospective.
Retrospectively. So, Lord,
Question, listen, the question is, they will grant thereafter. The moment they registered the students having no recognition at all.
pardon?
If the any institution or college admit the students having no recognition, immediately it should register the.
There is one more aspect.
Why you waited for 10 years, 20 years? That?
My lord, this is the practice, my lord. We are
What practice? If they are not able to, don't allow them.
there is one more aspect of the matter, my lord. As per the judgment of the Honorable Supreme Court in the case of BCI versus Dayanand, my lord,
Yes.
the recognition by the BCI, my lord, is required for the college, my lord, in case the pass out seeks admission, seeks enrollment as an advocate. But if he wants to pursue academics, my lord, then my lord, the recognition is not mandatory as me. So, my lord, these persons who have passed out, my lord,
Now, those who are admitting the students in a law college also, they don't require recognition from the bar council.
in case they come to take up the law as career, my lord, they want to become advocate, my lord. Then the requirement is there, my lord. Private law college can be run, my lord. If the college wants that the students, my lord, who are there can be advocates, my lord, and not teachers, principals, or academics, my lord, then there is no requirement of, my lord. My lord, I am not there to justify the action of the BCI, my lord. It's for the BCI to justify, my lord. The portal of the BCI clearly reflects, my lord, that is college का 2008-9 से नहीं है, इसका नहीं है, इसका नहीं. So it is there in the public domain, my lord. What is happening, my lord? The private colleges, my lord, what I understand, my lord, the fees are also not deposited to the BCI, my lord, for considerable period of time, and as and when the dues are cleared, my lord, the BCI grants recognition with retrospectively from 20 years. So, my lord, that criminal angle, my lord, prima facie, my lord, for this reason, my lord, we have kept our hands on hold, my lord, because this material is there, my lord. If your lordships are of the opinion, my lord, we will definitely proceed, my lord. There is no, my lord, we are with the future of the students, my lord. We are not supporting anything, my lord. So the state is, my lord.
The state has admitted that there is an administrative failure from their side.
Sorry?
So the state has admitted that there is the administrative failure from their side only because we got admission from the online portal and we didn't get to the college physically to get admission. If they are not verifying the college, the university is not verifying the college. So it is the administrative failure of the state, the university, and the college. So they are using us as a escape. So that is why I'm pointing out this that there are negligence from university for doing verification. On page number 8, that state has filed a reply. Now, if we come to the university in their reply, they said that they also gave the same list of 2020-21 as annexure R4, which BCI has approved. BCI is saying that here we have mentioned the colleges which are not having approval, that is 2008 and 9. So if they are, if the college not having affiliation from 2008 and 9, why you are uploading the name of that college in your official list? And because of that list only, the state is the state put the college in their online portal, the university put that college in their admission portal, and from there only we got the admission. So it is ultimately said the BCI which uploaded that list of 2020-21. Why there was a column of remark also mentioned there. The college is mentioned at serial number 10 on the list. At serial number 9, our college is mentioned Sanjay Gandhi. There they have clarified that this college is disapproved. They have written properly disapproved. If you are mentioning that college was disapproved, why you have not mentioned in the other colleges also? If they would have been mentioned, then I would not have been taking the admission in that college. So it is a default and administrative failure from the side of state, from the side of university, from the side of college who is not paying the fees to the
If recognition is granted by the Bar Council of India,
yes, sir.
so then they convey to the state government that these are the colleges
Yes, sir.
or universities we have.
There's a list.
There's a list.
That list come every
Yes,
year.
Every
And till which month that list comes?
Prior to the admission.
and Lord,
Admission months are which month?
It comments around
Sir, April, May, June.
July.
April, May.
April, May, June or June, July?
Sir, BCI submit its list up to March. It is the standard operation from their side.
Up to March.
Yeah, up to March, April. And after that, the respective universities started their admission processing.
Right.
Now we are also having the reply of the respondent number 1, 4 and 5, that is state BCI and state college and RDVB, that is university.
Right.
Sir, all the three are
In this case, no. The state authorities uploads a list. I being the candidate, choose a college from that list.
This matter will be taken tomorrow, first matter.
Okay.
You have to pass on.
But I make a humble request, my lord, very urgent matter.
इसमें उसमें